In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Navy Federal Credit Union. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All the information about how to use and become a member of Navy Federal Credit Union can be found on their website. So go to navyfederal.org, and when you arrive at the website, you will be able to browse through all the options at the top. However, if you wish to know how to join, hover over Membership and select Become a Member over here at the top left. This will take you to a page that has information on how to join and how to see if you are eligible. First, they're going to describe their services, and if you wish, you can take a look, see if it is right for you, and if everything satisfies you. When you scroll down, you will be able to see this section, Who Can Join? I recommend you click out, find out if you're eligible, and you browse through this page to see if you fall under the necessary details over here. As you can see, they have all types of membership, and as long as you apply for any of these, you will be able to become a member. Once again, when you scroll down, they will have a section dedicated to you if you know you can join. So if you are qualified according to these criteria, you will be able to apply online or call this number. If you wish to apply online, scroll down once again and click Join Today at the bottom. You will be redirected one last time, and in here you will have to answer some questions about your eligibility to finish the setup and become a member of the Navy Federal Credit Union. If you are having issues doing the process through the website, I highly recommend you contact them at this phone number in order to get help finishing your setup. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Navy Federal Credit Union. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.